Hindi pa tinanggal yung light sa swimming pool. Rainy. Hi guys, good morning everyone. Shout out sa mga viewer and subscriber. Let's slice this first, guys. We bought this in Landers, guys. Huge. Huge watermelon. 260, guys. This is seedless. Seedless. Let's slice watermelon, guys. Aray. We need to eat a lot of watermelon because this is huge. Oops. Look at that. Huge watermelon. I think need to slice the 1/4 there. Because if you slice the watermelon, guys, after few days, guys, goes bad na siya. You need to slice this. Man. I look in the local market, guys. I cannot found watermelon. No watermelon over there. Seedless nga siya. Oh. Seedless. We went to Landers yesterday. Doing grocery. Need to slice this first because they put in the rip. So got cold soon. Hopefully let's try. Huh? Sweet man siya. Oh. I need to cook na. Need to put in the freezer a little bit so that's why I got cold. Ito. I need to put in the rib. I need to remove this. Okay, see. This one for tomorrow. What's this? And then we need to cook our our breakfast, cooking breakfast. Need to hash brown. Hash brown, hash brown. Today is ano guys? Wednesday, Thursday. Friday is holiday here because of the transition of Nazareno parade, guys. So, government is no work on Friday because of the translation, parade of Nazareno. Yeah. Right. Hot naman di eh. I need to buy pala oil later. Need to wait until hot before put the ano guys, this one. Wait. Hot na siya guys. So we need to put na. It's hot na, it's hot. I need to use this guy. Look at that. Breakfast guys. I like to stay the condo guys because you know na, you can cook your food. Breakfast, lunch, much better you cook your own food. 27, 30. Much better you cook your own food guys. Yesterday guys, the kid very noise outside over there. Running, shouting, very noise. Have playground naman over here. Then I told to the kid, oh, don't running here, don't shout. You need to go the playground. I don't know why. Very nice. This guy. And then we add ano. We add this cheese. But only 1 month ni here, guys. On 15, we need to transfer the other condo. Let's cooking, guys. I need to add cheese, guys. I need to put cheese. Put cheese in the very tiny, guys. The slice in the US is thick. It's not thick. Tiny siya. It's tiny. But it's fine. Ayan siya, guys. Look at it. Like that na din. My husband breakfast has brown. Enjoy your meal, mahal. I'm cooking now, guys. Banana. Banana. Cooking banana, guys. Yeah. Fried banana. Usually, guys, 10 peso. One of this of banana. We bought at 30 pesos, guys. Huh? I think the seller is overpriced because you know, guys, if you banana, be sell expensive. If have lot of banana, bit cheaper. So much better you need to buy, guys, something if a lot of stock, because if you stock, it's all very expensive like that. Are you done, guys, your breakfast? 8:47 now. I'm not done my breakfast. I still cooking my breakfast. I need to, because going burn. Oh no, na-burn. Na-burn yung gitna kasi nga walang oil kasi yung gitna, guys. Yung pan kasi, guys, the pan, yung pan have oil in the other side and in the center no oil. Because look like going up in the center and then the edge is flat. Go burn. Na-burn na tuloy siya. It's burning. Meron pala doon. Ano to po? I'm making my coffee, guys. My coffee is different kind of coffee with drink here, guys. In the Philippines, lot of 3-in-1 coffee, guys. 3-in-1 coffee, 5-in-1 coffee, 7-in-1 coffee, like that. Different flavor. Have moringa coffee. Have guyabano coffee. Still not. Still not. Kailangan maglagay sila dito. But you need to be careful in the center because the center is no more oil in the center. This is our breakfast, the fried banana. Let's eat, guys. This is our breakfast, guys. Fried banana and coffee.
Tirelessly work with the U.S. Attorney's Office here
It's so
in
hot.
Minnesota, as well as in every other jurisdiction, to make sure that these cases are treated as they should be, and that aliens, attorneys,
Let's eat, guys. Breakfast.
immigration fraud are properly punished. I also want to touch briefly on the reception our officers received in the field. They were harassed, threatened, accused of being scammers, and even had the police call on them. At least one resident was so unsafe that they had to call off the site visit altogether. This is simply unacceptable, and I want to remind the public that our officers are doing their jobs to protect all Americans. They deserve the respect and cooperation as they go along with those duties. Under President Trump's leadership, we have empowered our immigration officers to thoroughly
If you eat hot,
required by law.
burning your gum.
Immigration fraud wherever and whenever we encounter it.
Let's eat, guys.
Secretary Noem has also recently delegated certain law enforcement authorities to meet at USCIS that will allow this agency to establish a cadre of criminal investigators to increase the department's ability to fully investigate and ensure prosecution of the very types of immigration fraud that this operation uncovers. As we work to undo